Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, we're going to go over quick how you would adjust your steering wheel up and down, in and out. This is a manual option. They don't have, it's not electric, but you got a release lever right here. So you're going to go ahead and release it, and then you can move it up, then you can move it down, or you can move it up. You can also pull it out to how far, not real far, but you can pull it out so it's closer to you and push it back in depending on your style you like to drive, and get it to where you would like it to be. And then you just got to put this lever back up into the lock position, and that's how you would do that on your 2016 Kia Optima. And so thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.